Hi again, boys and girls. You just saw Max and Molly learn about self-talk or talking to themselves to help them focus their attention on what they have to do. Look at this photo. There's a boy, Tony and Olivia, and they were both making towers. Tony had a big tower started, and Olivia was working too on building her tower. As they are building, they hear the teacher say, "Everyone, focus your attention. It's almost group time. Time to start cleaning up." The teacher plays the special cleanup music. Olivia begins to sing a song to herself. "Pick up the blocks, put them in the box. When that's done, go to group time. Pick up the blocks, put them in the box. When that's done, go to group time." She and Tony put blocks into the box. Tony can barely hear Olivia's song. "What are you singing?" asked Tony. Olivia sings her song for Tony again. "Pick up the blocks and put them in the box. When that's done, go to group time. Pick up the blocks and put them in the box. When that's done, go to group time." "It helps me remember what to do," she says. Olivia sings her song until all the blocks are back in the box, and Tony helps her put the box of blocks on the shelf. Olivia keeps singing, "When that's done," but Tony finishes, "Go to group time," and they do. What did Olivia do to stay focused? She sang to herself. She kept singing about what she had to do. Using self-talk helped Olivia focus her attention on what she needed to do. What were the two things she needed to do? Yep, that's right. Put the blocks away and then go to group time. If you sometime use self-talk to help focus your attention on what you need to do, clap your hands 2 times. I use self-talk sometimes to help me focus my attention. And you know what? You don't even have to say it out loud or sing it out loud. You can think it with your brain. So even if you talk, sing, or just think, repeating directions over and over helps you focus your attention and remember what you have to do.